In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly link an analytics API, define essential metrics, and automate the generation of your reports to streamline your data analysis process. To begin with, linking an analytics API might sound a bit technical, but I'm here to guide you every step of the way, making it as straightforward as possible. First, you need to ensure that you have access to the API by setting up the necessary credentials. This usually involves logging into the service you're using, navigating to their API settings, and either generating or copying your API key. You'll want to keep this key handy as it's crucial for the next steps. With your API key ready, you'll then establish a connection from your software environment. If you're using Python, for example, you can easily achieve this by importing a library like requests and integrating your API key with endpoints defined by the analytics service. This essentially lets your system speak directly with the analytics server, opening up a world of real-time data accessibility. Once connected, it's time to define your metrics. Think about what key performance indicators are most important to your specific needs. This could range from website traffic, conversion rates, or user engagement to sales data. It's all about tailoring your focus to what truly matters for your objectives. Within your code, you can specify these metrics by querying the API to return only the data points that reflect these interests. This can be achieved by using filters or specifying parameters in your API calls. It's crucial to take a moment to visualize this step, setting a clear objective of what your insights should reflect, ensuring that your metrics align perfectly with your goals. Finally, let's talk about automating your report generation. Manually pulling data and crafting reports can be time-consuming, and this is where automation shines. Using a scripting language like Python, you can set up a schedule that regularly fetches your desired data and compiles it into a readable report format, such as an Excel file or even a PDF. You can use libraries like Pandas for data manipulation and Matplotlib or Plotly for creating visual representations of your data. Moreover, tools like cron jobs on Unix-based systems or Windows Task Scheduler can be employed to run your scripts automatically at specified intervals, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly. This seamless process not only saves time but also diminishes the likelihood of human error, ensuring that you consistently have up-to-date and accurate reports available at your fingertips. And there you have it. By following these clear steps, you're well on your way to mastering the linking of analytics API, defining metrics that matter, and automating your report generation, making your data analysis efforts more efficient and insightful. Stay tuned for more tutorials and happy analyzing.